Hello friends, how are you? Vladimir here with you. Welcome to my weekly review for 20th of December and the last good trading week for this month. To be honest, the last week was very weird, but it's very acceptable because we are talking about December, one of the problematic months on the markets, on the financial markets. As you know, August and December are not good months to trade because the volumes of the markets are reduced um, powerful, and it's very difficult to make any technical analysis. And as I updated you on my blog, if you're not intraday trader, then just take a break. It's okay. Just take a break because lose money. It's very easy. It's better if you're not intraday trader. It's better not to trade, right? And there's no trend right now, and it does not look like we are going to have some trends. But I will share with you a few ideas that will definitely make you wanna wait for 2011. That will come very soon. The first one the first pair I want to talk about is euro against the British pound. And when I say there is no trend, that's what I mean. For example, right? Let's watch the weekly chart. All right, this is the weekly chart. What can we understand from the weekly chart? Well, nothing, right? Nothing. Maybe even some bullish potential, right? Some bullish pressure. I'm not even sure about it. When I say that, I'm not even sure about it. Okay, we go to daily chart. What can we see on the daily chart? Hmm. We can see a range, right? We can see a range. I will draw it for you. We can see pretty clear range. We can see even one higher level, right? This level, okay? And it's a range. We are in a rangy market. From one side, from one side, let's see these tails. Can you see these tails? These tails should press down of the on the pair, but watch the RSI just crossed 50 up, right? Just crossed the 50 level up, but it still sit on it. Watch the stochastic, still pointing down. Watch the MACD. It looks like we're going up, right? It looks like we're going up, but we might also have a bearish divergence here, bearish hidden divergence. If we see two highs on the two higher highs on the MACD histogram and two same place highs, as you can see on the chart. Okay, so it everything is confusing, and as I said, nothing clear. So we have to go for one lower chart, and there is a few ideas to look for. First of all, this is the range we are looking at right now, right? This is the range we are looking at right now. It looks like we are going to see some flag maybe here, right? We might see even some flag pattern. What do I mean by flag? Up move, some sideways, and then break up, right? But from the same thing, we might have even something else. We might have a angle flag. Can you see it? This is for most a U-turn, a turnaround pattern. And if we break down, we might see this pair continues all the way down until the last low. What will gonna happen? To be honest, I don't have any idea, and don't look for any idea because, as I said, it's a volumeless market. There in volumeless market there are no trends, and don't try to look for trends. Right? It's okay. We just have to accept it. This is the market, and then let's don't fight it. That's just as it is. Right? Don't try to find trends because there are no trends. Okay? There are no volumes. Okay? Every up move can retrace back in the same day, and I will show you how this wick acts. Okay, so what we are looking for, we are looking for the break of the range. Okay, even if it's in an angle range, as I said, as a angle flag, sorry, as I showed you before, we are still looking for the last support to be broken if we are going to go down. If we are going to go up, then just watch the close above the resistance, which is on 0.8540 level, and for down is 0.8450 level. Alright, so it's a 90 pips range. That's about the euro British pound. Now let's go for another pair. It will be the dollar yen. It's one of the pairs I'm still bullish for this pair, and I will explain why. If we're looking for 200 moving average, and it looks like this pair wants to go and test this line. Sometimes it might happen during next week. It might happen only in 2011, in 2-3 weeks. It's everything will be okay. We are still in a rangy market, as you can see here, right? We're still on a rangy market. The same situation, if we break up, we go up, right, all the way until 200 moving average. But from the opposite side, we have this bearish divergence, press the pairs down. Okay, so again, very confusing, and I will explain you how we can make sure we are going the right way. Okay, so first of all, for up, all we want to see, and now I'm going down for 1 hour chart. Okay, I'm going down for one hour chart, and watch this. It looks like we have some flag pattern as well here, right? We have some flag pattern as well here. If this flag will be broken at the beginning of the upcoming week, we will be aiming up for up move, and then it will be looking good. If this flag will not be broken, if this flag will not be broken in the beginning of the week, we will be looking to exit the dollar yen, right? Close it, and to look for much clearer situation. As for now, there are still bullish pressure, but the divergence that started to be here, to be created, I still wanted to see some high, some upper high of the histogram of the MACD, but there is not high yet. But still there are bullish pressure. And as I said, if on 1 hour chart the flag will be broken up, we will go up. If it's not gonna breaking up on the very beginning of the opening market, right, during Monday, okay, then we will have to exit this trade and look for much clearer situation, right? Anyway, the target still is somewhere between 85 and 86, right? Okay, 86 will be the final destination, right, for the 200 moving average. Okay, so that's about the dollar yen, and the next pair I want to explain is the euro dollar. And watch this, guys. Watch this. Can you see something? Well, as I said, it's so unclear situation, so weird, right? We don't like this situation. It reminds me the this situation before the big crash, right? For those of you who follow me for a long time, in this case I told you just sit on the fence. If it take 1-2 weeks more, we just have to be patient, right? And until the divergence will be created, and divergence was created here, as you can see, and we got this down move. Now what can we have on the euro dollar? We can have another down move until 130, somewhere close to the 200 moving average, and we can see a completing of the bullish divergence here, right? If we have a double bottom around this level and a bullish divergence, we will be looking for up move. Okay, that's for from the daily chart. Now let's go for the 4-hour chart. Now what can we see here? Another unclear situation, right? We have this range that looks like was broken down, right? But it's still not clear, still not clear, and we want to look for another down move before it really happened. I'm not sure that we will not have the euro dollar make a correction all the way again to 132, and then we'll try to go and look for selling. Right, here's the 1-hour chart, and here is the flag it started to build. Can you see the flag? It's fly fly down, right? It's a bomb down move. Then can you see it? Then some flag, some correction, and if this this one will be broken, then yes, we can look for another sell, but for short term. Don't forget we are talking now about 1-hour chart. Okay, so now to sum it up, on the daily chart we can see a double bottom combined with a bullish divergence before we have an up move. On the 4-hour chart, we can see nothing. And on 1-hour chart, we can see this flag and maybe an attempt to go to 132. And when this flag is broken, then it will be good idea to look for intraday short-term selling. Right? This is the euro dollar. Not clear situation for long term, but if there is nothing clear for long term, as I said, don't look for it. Just look for short term. And now for two surprises, gold and silver. I will start with gold on the daily chart. Okay, we have. It looks like we have this flag, right? This channel. As long as this channel is not broken down, we are still bullish. We're still bullish, but if this channel will be broken down, okay, retrace to test it, it will be fantastic situation to look to sell, the gold, right? So break down, retrace, and then look to sell. If as long as it does not happen, we are still bullish. We are still bullish, right? That's for the gold. What about the silver? The same situation, but maybe even prettier. Can you see it? Watch this. We have this uptrend line, right? We have this. Oh, sorry. Here. Okay. Uptrend line. Very powerful, very strong. Again, if this downtrend line will be broken, then yes, we will be aiming for down move. As long as it does not broken, we are still bullish. But take care that we can see some double a confirmation for down move if this uptrend is broken and this 1, 2, 3 pattern will be broken down. If so, it will be fabulous situation to look to sell. That's all for the for this market. About the indices, few asked me, but I'm still waiting to see a little clearer situation before I give my indices review. As for now, we're still bullish, but to be honest, I wouldn't touch them as well as for now. And don't forget, friends, that we are in a volumeless market, and in such market, it's just better not to trade if it's not clear. Right? British pound for few last words. Can you see we are almost reached the 200 moving average on the daily chart, all right, and we might see a bullish divergence here. So I'm also looking for this pair. 154 is a good support line, and 153.50 as well. The New Zealandian is also almost reached the 200 levels. A second. Okay, 200 moving average. If it will be good area to look to buy. But still, I will update about every pair that I will have to accept. Thank you very much. Have a good week, Vladimir.